Hello crypto experts and enthusiasts, and welcome to our channel. For today, we're going to be talking about the recently launched decentralized cryptocurrency exchange for Shiba Inu, ShibaSwap. In this video, we're going to give you a brief background on ShibaSwap and a quick guide on how to use it and what to expect. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell to get notified on all the latest crypto news and guides. Are you ready? Let's get started. 2 weeks after a tweet from Elon Musk saw Shiba Inu's stock rise by over 16%, they launched their own decentralized cryptocurrency exchange, ShibaSwap. Shiba Inu has been one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies in the last couple of months, most especially as we've seen some decline from currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you haven't heard of Shiba Inu yet, click right here to view our recent Shiba Inu explainer video. What started out as the supposed Dogecoin killer among meme currencies and joke coins has earned a lot to be taken seriously. Last July 6th, ShibaSwap launched and has been fully functional for nearly a week as of the making of this video. Experts expect to see an increase to Shiba Inu's market cap as it is around $3.5 billion currently, still a ways to go when coming anywhere near Dogecoin, which is at nearly 10 times that amount at $30.6 billion. Nevertheless, much like the currency it is going up against, Shiba Inu has enjoyed strong peaks since May of this year. With ShibaSwap, it's going to get much better. ShibaSwap gives users the ability to provide liquidity, to stake and swap tokens, to gain returns through their passive income reward system. Now, here's a quick guide on how to use ShibaSwap. Obviously, to make use of ShibaSwap, you'll need a wallet that has Shiba Token. Now, there are 3 types of Shiba coins, SHIB, Leash, and Bone, which can all be acquired on ShibaSwap. More on this later. Click Connect Wallet, then choose Wallet Connect. Then scan QR code, and you're there. You'll be able to use ShibaSwap with your Atomic wallet connected. On your Atomic mobile app, you can connect the ShibaSwap exchange using the Wallet Connect feature. Next, make sure your Atomic wallet holds a compatible currency, like ETH. With whatever compatible currency you have, you'll be able to exchange it for Shiba coins or any other coins available on ShibaSwap, like Ether and most ERC20 tokens. Take note that there can be a small amount of liquidity on the exchange. Check the liquidity first and check the network fees on ETH network, and take into consideration the exchange fees before you process your exchange. Once your Atomic wallet has Ethereum or any other currency that is compatible on the platform, you'll be able to swap ETH for SHIB, Leash, or Bone, and as well other functions at your disposal. You may stake, farm, fetch, and provide liquidity for the tokens. If you enjoyed this tutorial video, we will release a complete guide to ShibaSwap features which will have more detail and comprehension. With all that in mind, you'll be able to use ShibaSwap and start making the most out of your Shiba coins. And there it is for our ShibaSwap Atomic Wallet Guide. What do you think of Shiba Inu and ShibaSwap? Is it worth taking risks and investing in? Drop a comment below letting us know what you think and how you feel about Shiba Inu, ShibaSwap, and the latest crypto events. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you get notified each time we have a new video ready for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the comments.